What's up, everyone? It's Z Queen of Random here, and today I'm going to show you how to make gorgeous TikTok videos using your desktop and utilizing a program called DaVinci Resolve 17. I create my TikToks using my computer. It takes probably about 15 minutes to get a clip that I like on Twitch of my live stream and just put a few things together, clip it, put it together, render it, put it on TikTok. Now, if you don't know, you can actually upload TikTok directly from your computer. You don't need to use your phone. So let's get to it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go over to my page here, and I'm going to drag it over. All right, so this is my Twitch channel, and we can go to Video Producer, and you'll see a whole bunch of different videos of what you've live streamed in the past. A lot of my viewers and my mods, they will make clips of what I've done during the live stream, and they clip it for me. So it's actually really easy for me to just grab something that they've done. So let's see here. Let's open this up. And this clip is pretty sweet, I think. All right, so I was playing Valorant. And so I'm going to actually take this clip. I'm going to close this. I'm going to grab this. It's going to download down to the bottom right here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move this off of this window. Now that we have our clip downloaded from Twitch, we're going to open up DaVinci Resolve. So let me find it. Here it is. It's a free program. You can go to the link in the description below and download it onto your computer. We'll just wait for it to open. It does have a few bugs. Sometimes it does freeze up on me. I will say that up front because I like to be honest. But yes, it's free. I'm not complaining. But yes, it does have a few issues. But it is public beta, and I'm sure they're working on everything that is wrong with the program. I like to focus on the positives, and for me, it works just fine. So we're going to create a new project. We'll call it Valorant Clutch. Go ahead and create that. So now you want to go to File, you go to Import Media, and we're going to go, I have 2 external hard drives. So I save my downloads here. We're going to go grab that clip that we just downloaded. First off, it's going to pop off right here. It's going to say change project frame rate. So it's a little different from the project. So it's going to want you to change the frame rate to match the project that you're actually importing over from Twitch. Let's go ahead and press change. So now you got your little I know my head's in the way, but you see your thing right here. Next step, you're going to go to File, and actually, you know what? Let me move my camera so that it's not in the way, or make it smaller. That should be a little bit better. Okay, so we're up here. We're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Project Settings. Next step, in order to make it a landscape for TikTok, you're going to change this. You're just going to flip the numbers around. You're going to go 1080 by 1920 instead of 1920 by 1080. And we'll press Save. Step 2, you grab that file, you drag it down here. Now, here comes the fun part. You can go to Edit. I like to just go ahead and do this right off the bat. You go to Media Pool. You're going to grab that same file. You're going to drag it on top of the other one, just like that. There's going to be 2 sound clips here. This is very important. You're going to want to disable one of them or delete them. So you can right-click on the second sound clip and just click Enable Clip. It's going to deactivate that sound clip. So right off the bat, we're going to see that we have 2 layers. So you can't see the 1 layer for right now, but it's important. Just give me a second and you'll see why that is important. You're gonna clip this here, click on it. You're gonna go over here where it says Video Transform, and you're going to zoom that in. My favorite is 3.22. It's just about right. Everything's centered. You can just type it in too. I like to just do this. All right, so now we have this. It's zoomed in, perfect landscaping, beautiful color. we're going to go clip that top video now. You can see my little head. You can see the second video on top of the first one now. So you can click on this. You can go down to the bottom where it says Fusion right here. Click on that. And this will pop up. So now you can see my webcam. And what I want to do is take this webcam and put it on top of the other video and actually have both videos on top of each other where you can see my webcam and the actual scene that I'm trying to show. So we're going to click this right here, the circular lanyard looking thing. Grab it. It's going to cut out all the rest of the video. You're going to grab this like this. You're going to drag it over your face. So now as you can see, you have this big giant cutout. You don't want that. We're going to fix that. Go over here to width. And you're going to shrink it down to where you like it. And then you're going to do height. They should really be the same number, so it's a perfect circle. And I'm going to shrink mine even more because I don't like to have that round weirdness at the top. So mine's about 1.17. Let's just see what that looks like. All right. It's not exactly the perfect circle, but it'll work for my purposes. We're going to go down back to the bottom. We're going to click edit. Now you can see the tiny little circle here, right? We don't want that. Obviously, you can't even see my face that well, right? So if we play it right now, this is what it's going to look like.
Coming around.
So we don't want that. We want to actually make that, my head that's already big, we're going to make it bigger. So we're going to go here to this section. You're going to drag this down. You're going to go to transform. It's going to highlight that. So now what you want to do is drag it out until it's as big as you like it. And I want to make sure that it's centered. That works for me. Now we're going to play it. And it does drag a little bit, but it's going to be perfect once it's rendered. It's just still processing all the colors and all the frames. So now you got your video right there.
Last player standing.
No, that's bull.
They're rotating.
3. One enemy remaining.
And that's pretty much it for that clip. So now I'll show you, if you don't want to have extra like words and stuff on it, you can just go and take this and you're going to go down to deliver. And once you press deliver, it's going to bring up this panel. You name your file what you want. We're going to name it Valorant Clutch. Valorant Clutch. I'm coming down with a cold. I can feel it, so I can't talk right now, apparently. You're going to change your format from QuickTime to MP4. You make sure that your custom resolution is still 1080 by 1920. It shouldn't change. Once you're done with that, you're going to click Add to Render Queue. Once it does that, it's going to ask you to save it to your folder on your computer. You press Save. And now you have it right here. We'll go ahead and render it. So the file is going to go through the process. It's going to put everything together for you. And it's done. All right, so now that we have our video all set, we have our circle, we have our webcam video on top. You can go ahead and play it and you'll see that it'll sync itself. And it's kind of cool. Okay, so now we have that. I'll show you another step that you can take if you are using these videos to promote yourself. Like, let's say you are on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you're on Twitch, but you want to actually use TikTok as a way to promote yourself outside of TikTok. You can actually go to the effects library right here. And my head is in the way, but there it is, the effects library. And you can go in and it has different effects, as different generators, video transitions. Let's say you trim your video somewhere and you don't want to show that weird transition from like one scene and you cut like a chunk out and you want to go to another scene. You can put in a transition there where it'll like kind of roll into the next scene. This program is actually really great. It has so many things inside it, and I'm actually really pleased with it being free and having so much to offer. So this is the one that I actually like to use. I I have it saved. You can drag that down here. So what you want to do is I put something like live on Twitch. Live on Twitch, 7:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. EST. Goodness gracious. I make it bold. Then we'll say at Z Queen of Random. I play with viewers. That's it. So now we have that. We're going to play it. You're going to see that pop up.
Coming around.
You can see that. And I like it to have it go away. I don't want that to stay on my video the entire time that I'm playing. I want it to go away.
What kind of gun for you?
So it's not disturbing to the viewer. I always laugh at myself with my reactions. They're rotating. And I'm very new. I'm like 3 weeks into Valorant, so
One enemy remaining.
I'm no way great, but I'm learning. So yes, that's how you use DaVinci Resolve to make TikTok videos. Once you're done here, you go to deliver again, and you go to name it Valorant Clutch 2. I already made 1. And then you save it, render, save it, and then render all. And it's going to make the video, tie everything together, your words, smooth it out, and it's going to be on the file. I'm going to show you how to actually upload it to TikTok next. Yeah, I did go on to win that round, by the way. Okay, so now that we've created our video, we have it saved on our computer. We're going to go ahead and open up the TikTok app on the computer. And let me pause this right away. It's going to open up something. Anywho, we're going to go to profile, and I'm going to show you just an example of what some of my TikToks look like. So here's one I made 6 days ago.
One enemy remaining. 30 seconds left.
I'm always the last one alive on the team, I swear.
Careful here.
Goodness, I panic. I panic. I'm still trying to control my spray, so please don't roast me too much. So this is actually a compilation of probably 1 or 2 highlights in a stream. I know I hit him, but I don't know how much I hit him for. And that's what that looks like. Now here's what they look like when I just actually record the gameplay on my computer.
Last player standing.
And I do some fancy little editing. You can do that too. You don't need to take your Twitch live stream. You can actually just record and make little TikToks from your own recordings that you use using your NVIDIA or your OBS.
One enemy remaining.
So
Last player standing.
now that we've done that, we're going to go here. We're going to go to upload. We're going to go and upload that video that we just made. I'm not going to keep it on because I actually didn't intend on uploading that video. I just made it for purposes of this. But anyways, let's go ahead and find it. You're going to upload it. You can name it something. And then you put in your tags, Valorant, or whatever you're doing. It could be cooking, it could be whatever. Valorant, pound, Valorant clip, Twitch streamer, Twitch clips, the clutch, whatever. And you'll see your video pop up nicely. This I could actually move over a little bit, but I like it. Roast my spraying. I was panicking. They love to roast people on TikTok. Twitch clips, we got that. Okay, so now you can drag the cover over and find the moment that you like, that you want to clip and make what people see first. And I'm trying to see. You could do something like that. Or you can scroll up a little bit more and find the juicy one like that. I always like to pick a cover that has a little bit of color popping on it, and then we'll just go ahead and post it. And now the video is posted. We'll go to profile, and now you can see the video sitting right here. We'll go ahead and play it. It takes a minute actually. Let's see. TikTok is one of those places that are really, really great for advertising, but you know, I still haven't figured out the algorithm. I haven't figured out the algorithm on like what's the best time is. What the best time is to actually upload to TikTok. So I've tried different times and I just go from there. Some of these videos will blow up, some of them barely get any views, but I'm just happy for the exposure. So this is the video that we just made. Hopefully it's uploaded now. It's still loading in, and I'll load the same video on my phone so you can see that it works perfectly. I'm doing it. All right. There it is. And I'm waiting. It's still loading. There it is. There's the video we just made. Perfect. So it works. Nice. I'd always giggle at myself. You gotta learn to laugh at yourself, right? But yes, I hope that you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you need any help, I'm here to help you. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you. See you later.